Radio 1.
Hey, what you doing, child?
Chamaraj beat Charles.
Ooh la la! What's happening with the Slumdog, child? It's sweeping all the awards like the ayahs in the government hospital there. First it got up the Golden Globe Award, and now it has swept the Buffett Awards like a tsunami, honey. Best picture, best music, best sound engineer, best screenplay. What about the best light boy, best extra, best friend, and best of luck for the Oscars? You all heard the latest news. Our A.R. Rahman and Sukhvindra have been asked to perform at the Oscars, man. What a moment this is, child. The last time such a big performance happened, it was by M.S. Subbulakshmi at the UN Council. What do you mean, how I know all this? I may be dumb, but I keep my ears open, But we have to also congratulate our own tableist, Master Zakir Hussain. He also won the Grammy Award for this album. How? He put on full powder and rubbed it, All these awards are driving me crazy, child. I'm only waiting for the day where we win the most forward-thinking country award, or for Bangalore City to win the best road award, child. No chance any. If at all Bangalore wins any award, it'll be for the number of pariah dogs in the city. Guess what they're going to call the award? Stray Dog Millionaire.
Chamaraj beat Charles.
Hey, Susie, want to hold the Oscar, eh?
Radio 1.
The station for the Fadafa generation.